Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to unblock someone on the Roblox application using your mobile device. Unblocking someone on Roblox is a straightforward process. First of all, launch the Roblox app open on your device and from the home page, after logging in, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now, from the Privacy and Content Restrictions, tap on Blocked Users. On the next page, you will see all of the people that you've blocked on Roblox. To unblock the contact, tap on the Unblock button right next to them and confirm by tapping Unblock once again in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unblock the certain contact. So that's how you easily do it. You can easily unblock someone on Roblox and help yourself restore connections and enhance your gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.